What's up, family steaders? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today, I'm gonna show you how to plant potatoes in the ground and in containers. So before you plant your potatoes, you wanna make sure you do three things. The first thing is make sure your soil is loose and fluffy. So check it out. You see that? See how loose and fluffy this is? This is exactly how you want your soil to be before you plant your potatoes. So if you have red clay like us, you should amend your soil with topsoil, compost, and peat moss. Because if you try to grow in red clay like this, your potatoes won't like it. You see how compact this is? Potatoes hate compact soil. And another thing you need to do is make sure you amend your soil with bone meal, blood meal, or some type of all-purpose fertilizer. The second thing you want to do is make sure you're planting your potatoes in an area that gets at least 8 hours of sunlight. And the third thing you want to do is multiply your seed potatoes. So if your potatoes look like this, you can cut them in half, or you can even cut them up 3 ways. But if they're super small, just plant the whole potato. So you want to plant your potatoes 4 to 5 inches deep. So let's do that. See how loose and fluffy this soil is? It looks like red clay, but it's been amended with compost, topsoil, and peat moss. So it's super loose. So we're gonna make sure we plant our potatoes 4 to 5 inches deep. And you wanna make sure the eyes on your potatoes are going up. You don't want them going down. Right now is the perfect time to plant potatoes. And today is April 7th. In this last spot, we're gonna plant our red potato. So you see how small this seed potato is? If your seed potato is this small, don't even worry about multiplying it. Perfect. Now we're gonna plant 2 potatoes in here, about 6 inches apart. So we're gonna plant one over here and one right over here. Now that we're finished planting our potatoes, all we have to do now is cover them up. And this year, we're gonna do an experiment. We're gonna cover this half with wheat straw, and this half, we're not gonna cover at all. And we're gonna see which one does better.